Today, we're going to talk about civilizations. The very first civilization is known as Mesopotamia. Basically, this region is located in the Middle East, which includes Syria, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, and Turkey. The literal meaning of the word Mesopotamia is the land between two rivers. It was called Mesopotamia because people settled between the Tigris River and the Euphrates River. This region was dry and mostly desert-like, and even today it remains almost the same. Because of this dryness, people lived in different groups, which were called tribes. These tribes were completely independent, and they were known as city-states. Now the question arises, if this area was hot and dry, how did civilization develop here? The answer is that the two rivers flowed from the north, from the side of Turkey, toward the south. Along with water, these rivers also brought minerals, which made the land fertile. The people living in these city-states started collecting water and developed a small canal system, which is called an irrigation system. Four major groups lived in this region, also known as major city-states: Sumerians, Akkadians, Assyrians, Babylonians. This region is very important historically, and it also has great religious significance. It is mentioned in holy books, and according to some religious scholars, Prophet Abraham was born in this area and spent his early life here. Now let's talk about the first city-states, known as the Sumerian civilization. According to today's geography, this area was closest to modern-day Iraq. The Sumerians invented the wheel. They also introduced the base 60 number system, which is why we have 60 minutes in 1 hour today. They divided the year into 12 months, known as the 12-month system, and they also introduced the 7-day week system. This civilization developed the earliest form of writing, called cuneiform. It was basically picture-based writing. They used this writing system to keep records because they had introduced the barter system, and record keeping became necessary. They traded goods between different city-states using the barter system. Religiously, these people worshipped idols. They had many gods, but the three major ones were the sun, the moon, and stars. Their system of government was based on kingship. After God, the most important person in society was the king. Their government system included military, tax system, law system. As these city-states grew, conflicts among them increased. Now let's talk about the second city-state, known as the Akkadian civilization. The Akkadians and Sumerians had very similar cultures, but the main difference between them was language. The Akkadians spoke a language similar to Arabic and Hebrew. Hebrew is the language spoken by Jews today. According to belief, Prophet Moses spoke Hebrew, and the Torah was revealed in this language. Over time, the Sumerian language disappeared because it was very complex, pictorial, and difficult to read and write. The Akkadian language, which was similar to Arabic and Hebrew, gradually became dominant. The Akkadians established the first empire in this region around 2340 BC. BC means before Christ, or before the birth of Prophet Jesus, Isa. This empire did not last very long. Their first king was Sargon of Akkad. This city and king are also mentioned in the Bible, and some scholars believe that Sargon may have been Nimrod. Because city-states were constantly in conflict with each other, the Akkadian control lasted only for a short time. Eventually, the empire collapsed as all city-states were independent and continuously at war. After a short period, Akkadian rule completely ended in the region. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon.